Okay, this is first Java exercise. Let's start with the Java application. Let me just create a project name with our main class. I will name it as Java exercises. There will be a series of exercises according to what you have learned from Java tutorial. Okay, we have Java exercises as a project. I will organize exercise under the chapter 1, 2, 3. There will be a couple of programs in each package. Class name, I will say first one, 1-1. I mean 1_1. So let's say chapter 1. This will be on the chapter 1 directory. Finish. Okay, let me hide the comments. So every Java program starts with the name of the class. We call it as the name of the program called exercise 1_1. And each program has entry points. We call it as main methods. And let me make a comment, 3 comments. The 2/ means single line comments. So usually Java program consists with three components. Okay, input, process, and output. This is example exercise. Okay, let me add it as a comment. Okay, let me keep it in next line. So we are going to write a program that display welcome to Java, running Java now, and the program is found in 3 lines. System.out.print and println is stands per line. It will print a message on console and move to next new line. Okay, so you can consider system out as a system output device. We are dealing with it like your standard output device monitor. Let me copy paste it. So the second message we say running Java now, last message, and programming is fun. I know it looks like outputs, but let me just keep it as a processing 3 message. Okay, so we're dealing with the output device print, and also of course there is another method belongs to that we call it as a print. I will demonstrate later. Let's compile Java source code to bytecode and run it. Welcome to Java, running Java now, and program is found. So let's change to print instead of println. So you print means it will print a message with this into double quotation marks, but it doesn't move to the next line. Okay. So welcome to Java, no space. So you may need 1 space, no space. So let's add 1 space. So as you can see, you add 1 space, okay, after Java, and then after now. But you just continue, even though we have 3 statements. Okay, so you may prefer to use println. If you want to print a message and move to next line, you may prefer println. There's one data type. Okay, we call it as a string. Start with a capital S. You can save the message to message 1, which is we call it as a variable memory address that hold welcome to Java as a value. Then you can reverse to a variable message 1 So it does exactly the same. We have one input based on one variable called message1, then process it with System.out.println methods. Okay. So that one, if you want to print in next line, you can say println, or you can add one space, up to you. When you learn Java program, you don't have to compile all the time because NetBeans will do background compiling, so you can learn it right away. That's it. Thank you.